Hello there. Welcome to your first step into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. This digital frontier offers a new way to think about money and financial transactions built on the pillars of decentralization, security, and transparency. If you've been curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the thousands of other cryptocurrencies, you've come to the right place. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together. Ready to dive in? Let's unravel the mystery of cryptocurrencies together. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? To break it down, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It's not a physical entity that you can hold in your hand, but it holds real value and can be used for various transactions, much like traditional currencies. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. Picture a chain of digital blocks where each block contains a list of transactions. This chain is decentralized and distributed across a network of computers, known as nodes. The decentralization of the blockchain makes it resistant to control or manipulation by any single entity. One of the key aspects of cryptocurrencies is that they are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any government or central authority. This decentralization offers a level of freedom and privacy not typically associated with traditional currencies. It allows for peer-to-peer transactions to occur directly between parties without the need for a middleman like a bank or payment gateway. Security is another crucial element of cryptocurrencies. The use of cryptography ensures that transactions are secure and that the identities of the parties involved remain anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, providing a public, transparent ledger that anyone can view, but no one can alter. Cryptocurrencies also bring in the concept of scarcity. For example, there's a finite number of bitcoins that will ever exist, capped at 21 million. This scarcity is coded into the cryptocurrency's underlying protocol and can't be changed. The limited supply often creates a digital gold rush as people scramble to acquire these digital assets. One of the primary uses of cryptocurrencies is as a medium of exchange in the digital world. However, they have also become a popular investment asset, with people buying and trading them in hopes of making a profit. So in essence, cryptocurrencies are a new form of digital assets. They leverage blockchain technology to facilitate secure and decentralized transactions, bringing with them a wave of innovation and disruption to traditional financial systems. Did you know there are different types of cryptocurrencies? Well, it's true. In the vast universe of crypto, there are two primary types: coins and tokens. Let's dive right into understanding these. Coins are essentially digital money. They have their own blockchains, independent and self-sustaining. Think of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the trailblazers of the crypto world. Bitcoin, the pioneer of them all, came into existence to offer a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Ethereum, on the other hand, was designed to go beyond being just a currency. It introduced the concept of smart contracts, revolutionizing the way we perceive blockchain's capabilities. Now let's talk tokens. Tokens are typically built on an existing blockchain, like the Ethereum network. They are often compared to a ticket at a fair, granting access to specific features of a project. For instance, ERC-20 tokens are a common type of tokens built on the Ethereum network. They are used for a wide range of purposes, like voting rights in a project, or as a utility token to access certain services. So while coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum have their own blockchains and serve as a medium of exchange, tokens operate on these blockchains and represent a utility or asset. Whether a coin or a token, each has a unique role in the crypto ecosystem. They serve different functions, have different purposes, and operate on different underlying blockchain platforms. And the beauty of it all? This diversity only adds to the richness and versatility of the crypto world. Let's talk about crypto safety and its association with illegal activities. Now, just as you wouldn't leave your physical wallet lying around, you shouldn't be careless with your digital wallet either. It's essential to follow security best practices to keep your cryptocurrencies safe. This includes using hardware wallets, which are physical devices that store your private keys offline, away from the reach of hackers. Two-factor authentication is another layer of security that you should enable. This requires not just a password, but a second element, usually a code sent to your mobile device to access your account. And of course, always be vigilant when browsing online. Avoid clicking on suspicious links and steer clear of websites that seem fishy. Phishing scams are prevalent in the crypto world, so it's crucial to double-check before sharing any personal information or making transactions. Now, you may have heard stories about cryptocurrencies being used for illicit activities. While it's true that the anonymity and decentralization of cryptocurrencies have been exploited in the past, it's important to remember that the vast majority of crypto transactions are legitimate. In fact, every transaction made on a blockchain is transparent and can be traced, making it a poor choice for criminals who wish to stay hidden. In the crypto world, safety should always come first, so arm yourself with knowledge, stay vigilant, and remember that the key to enjoying the benefits of cryptocurrencies is to use them responsibly. Ever wondered how a cryptocurrency's price is determined? Well, it's all about supply and demand dynamics. Like most commodities, the price of a cryptocurrency rises when demand exceeds supply and falls when supply outstrips demand. Now, where does this demand come from? It's influenced by several factors such as adoption, utility, speculation, and market sentiment. When more people start using a particular cryptocurrency for transactions or as a store of value, demand increases. Similarly, when a cryptocurrency offers unique utility or function that others don't, it can drive demand. Speculation also plays a significant role. Many people buy cryptocurrencies hoping that the price will go up in the future. They're not necessarily using it for transactions, but are holding onto it as an investment. Market sentiment, which is essentially the collective mood of investors, can also sway prices. Positive news about a cryptocurrency or the overall crypto market can drive prices up, while negative news can push prices down. But remember, there's a distinction between price and value. The price is what you pay, and the value is what you get. The value of a cryptocurrency lies in its underlying technology, its use cases, and its potential to disrupt traditional industries. So when you're looking at a cryptocurrency, don't just consider its price, consider its value too. Remember, price is what you pay, value is what you get. You might be asking, which cryptocurrency should I buy? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might hope, and it's important to remember that this isn't financial advice. The world of crypto is dynamic and diverse, with thousands of digital assets to choose from. Each coin or token has its unique characteristics, underlying technology, and potential use cases. It's crucial to start with your own research. Look into the project's fundamentals. What problem does it aim to solve? How does it plan to achieve its goals? Next, consider the team behind the project. Do they have the expertise and experience to execute their vision effectively? A strong, transparent team can be a good sign of a project's credibility and potential for success. Community support is another important factor. A large, active community can indicate a high level of interest and confidence in the project. Risk tolerance is a personal aspect that varies from person to person. Investing in crypto can be risky, and it's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. Lastly, consider the market potential of the cryptocurrency. What is its current market position? Does it have the potential to grow and disrupt traditional industries? Remember, the decision to invest in a particular cryptocurrency should not be made lightly. It should be based on careful consideration, thorough research, and a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing in crypto? Do your homework first. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've traversed the exciting landscape of cryptocurrencies, starting from the basic understanding of what crypto is, all the way to considering which one might be worth your investment. We've learned that cryptocurrencies are secure, digital currencies fostering decentralized transactions, and they come in different forms, each with unique functionalities and purposes. We've also underscored the importance of safety in this dynamic ecosystem and debunked some myths about crypto's criminal use. We've explored that a cryptocurrency's price isn't its value. The real value lies in its potential to disrupt traditional industries. As we wrap up, it's crucial to remember that this is just the beginning of your crypto journey. Keep exploring, stay curious, and don't hesitate to take calculated risks. And of course, we'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you have in the comments section. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.